Where's your shoes?
I think it's in the garden.
You gonna get it? You didn't see that? What? What happened to your shoes? Where'd it go? Look at your face. Look at me. Oh no, you're a mess. Oh no, yuck. Oh no. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Go get your shoes. Go find your shoes. Can you find your shoes?
Yeah, I want to show
You don't know?
This is our chicken.
Okay. What's the name of it?
Her name is Empty.
What's her name?
Fishy. Michelle.
Mattel?
Yeah, Michelle.
What's the other one's name? Do you know? You don't know?
No.
You guys can start giving them names. But you gotta remember though.
Here's Ginger right over here. This light brown chicken rooster. He is a crower.
A thrower? Hmm.
This is Ginger.
Mm-hmm.
Right over here. Come here.
What you doing? Don't scare them. Don't scare them.
See the one over here?
Where?
Not over here. The one that has banana feathers on its head. It's called Hatter. He kind of rhymes with that, but this is Blacktail. It has a black tail.
Okay.
Come here. Let's see if Crimple's in here. Come on, let's go find Crimple.
Where, Ati?
Crimple, the chicken that has a hurt leg.
Chicken has a haircut. Come here, Lurleen.
That's Crimple. She has a hurt leg. Here, I'll show you guys. See, she has a hurt leg. Come on.
Hurt legs? What happened to her? Is it a she or is it a
It's
female?
a she. She probably fell off the roosting thing over there. Because maybe when she was trying to get down. Or when she tried getting up.
Okay.
Maybe she kicked her leg.
What's wrong with your sister over there?
Ginger had her.
Lurleen, what you doing over there?
Hi.